Hey everyone, I'm Andrea Bouget, founder of Aromahead Institute, and today's video is all about this beautiful face wash. It's a soap-free face wash called Pretty Peaceful. So let's get right to it, and we're gonna make it. And by the way, this recipe is from my book, The Heart of Aromatherapy. And it's actually one of my personal favorites. I use this one a lot because I love how nourishing it is for my face and how I feel like it doesn't dry my skin the way soap does. So it has argan oil as its base, half argan oil, and the other half of the base is aloe vera gel. So let's start with that. And then we're gonna put in neroli essential oil and frankincense essential oil. All right, so I have a 2-ounce glass bottle. It's a really pretty one, it's frosted. And I'm gonna fill it halfway with the argan and halfway with the aloe. So I'll be honest, I don't really measure when it comes to this. I just pour it in. But if you're not so steady from pouring and you have a big bottle into a little bottle, then you can definitely use a beaker. So I'm gonna pour this into the beaker first. That's the aloe. And has kind of a neutral smell, so not a big deal. It doesn't really influence the blend very much in terms of the aroma. So I'm gonna pour in about half aloe, and that's good. And you can change the balance between these two, between the aloe and the argan. It's personal preference, really up to you. Okay, and then the argan is like nutty and warm, but it's very light aroma, but it's definitely very pretty. So I'm pouring right from the bottle into the bottle, but you can use a beaker if you're more comfortable. Okay, so you'll notice that these two don't mix right away. The aloe is a water-based product and this is an oil, so I'll shake them up when we get there. So before I add the essential oils, I just want to tell you about the argan and how it's produced because it's pretty special. So I'm going to read from my book the section on argan oil. And it's telling you, I'm telling you, that argan oil comes from Morocco, where it's handmade in a traditional process. The women are harvesting the fruits and then they crush them. They crush the fruits between two stones. And the nuts are placed in a mill along with some water. And then that creates what they call an argan dough. And so then the dough is kneaded by hand and pressed for the oil to come out. So then it can take up to 10 hours to produce just 1 liter of argan oil. Isn't that amazing? That's a lot of time for these women working by hand to produce the oil. And it's also called liquid gold because of its beautiful color and clearly how precious it is. All right, so let's add our essential oils. We have 1 drop of neroli in it. Just 1 drop is all you need. And neroli is made from the citrus blossoms and it is so beautiful. It's got this floral, citrusy aroma, and for a floral oil, it's actually very light, very beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna put 1 drop in, and those of you that already know blending, you know how that goes. We got 1 drop, but another one could have slipped in, and that would have been okay. All right, so right away, the combination of that nutty argan along with the floral, citrusy neroli, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so then we're gonna add 1 drop of frankincense. And so the frankincense is a resin oil. It's produced from a resin, and it brings this really grounded feeling to the aroma. It's beautiful, and it's so nourishing for your skin. Both the neroli and the frankincense are gonna be nourishing for your skin, healing, also cooling, especially the neroli. So if you have any inflammation or if it's red or hot, perfect. All right, and it's really that simple. The blend is that simple. So now we're gonna put the cap on and we're gonna give it a good little shake so that we blend up the argan and the aloe. And the thing is, you probably wanna give it a shake every time before you use it so that it blends up. And I just have to smell it. I wish you were right here with me. because now we have the combination of that nutty warmth with the citrusy floral of the neroli and the earthy, really grounded smell of the frankincense. It's beautiful. So to use this, you're just going to put a little capful in your hand with warm water and wash your face just like you would with soap. So it's a soap-free face wash. So I hope you love it, and email me and let me know what you think of it, okay? All right, good. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.